You need experience to get a job, but you need a job to get experience. It's the ultimate catch-22 that keeps every fresher awake at night. But what if I told you that recruiters don't just hire for past experience, they hire for future potential? Today, I'm stripping away the fluff and showing you exactly how to build a resume from scratch that turns your zero experience into a must-hire candidate. Let's get you that first paycheck. First, stop thinking you have nothing to offer. You've been a student for over 15 years. That is your work. We aren't going to lie on your resume. We're going to translate your life into professional language. The biggest mistake freshers make is using a standard chronological layout that highlights a lack of history. Instead, we're going to use a functional or hybrid layout. This puts your skills and projects at the very top, where the recruiter's eyes land first. Since you don't have a 9-to-5 history, your experience section will be built from 3 key pillars. Academic projects. Did you build a website? Organize a college fest? That is a project. Treat it like a job title. Volunteer work. Helping at a food bank or managing a social media page is operational management. Certifications. If your degree is the what, certifications are the how. It shows you took initiative to learn tools like Excel or SQL. Recruiters love keywords, but don't just list communication or hardworking. Everyone does that. Instead, focus on hard skills and software mastery. Don't say, good at computers. Do say, proficient in Python, Microsoft Excel, pivot tables, and Trello for project management. Match your skills to the job description. Most resumes are read by a robot, the Applicant Tracking System, before a human ever sees them. To beat the bot, keep it simple. No crazy graphics, no photos, and no multi-column layouts that confuse the scanner. Stop using the old-school objective statement. Switch to a professional summary. Highly motivated graduate with hands-on experience in your field through academic projects. Your resume is a marketing document. Focus on what you can do, and the no experience barrier will disappear. Now, I've designed a zero experience template specifically to get you noticed. If you want a copy, drop a comment below saying template and tell me what job you're dreaming of. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my next guide on crushing the interview. Go get 'em!